We believe that the key to a successful project and parts delivery starts with an accurate RFQ, and I wanted to talk to you about the process today to help make it as easy for you as possible. Most RFQs we can get back within 1 to 2 business days. The quickest thing and the easiest thing that you can do to ensure success is to make sure that all the requirements are submitted properly. Those requirements are having the proper blueprint and rev number, having the quantity needed, having any quality requirements outside of our standard AS9100 package, and then any other timing, material, preferences that we can help to deliver your part successfully. After we get a good sense of how that part is going to flow through our shop, we'll go out to the exact machine, the exact machinist, the engineer, and the project manager who will be handling your part to check to make sure that we have all the technical requirements accurately reflected in the price and the timing that you're going to see. So at the end of the day, when we're wrapping up the quote to send back to you, we can split it out however you or your customer likes to see. We have production vendors that like to pay a separate first article charge to have a lower piece price for repeat orders. We all have other customers that like all those non-recurring engineering expenses amortized for just one clean, concise piece price. So please send an RFQ package today, whether on our website or me personally at adevery@prospertech.net, and we'll be happy to look at it and set you up for success.